Okay, in this video we're going to go over a sugar push with an underarm pass for the follower. Yes. Now this is going to be kind of straightforward for the gentleman. It's going to be a sugar push, but again, it's the underarm pass for the ladies. So let's go ahead and get started. We have an open position, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. All right, let's take it from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Let's go over here. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Cool. Again, remember ladies, you're going to end up being a little early, a little on time, a little late. It all varies, but keep that circular action going, passing your feet on 3 and 4. Cool. All right, here we go. From away from the camera. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Cool. Very nice. And notice, guys, all that fancy footwork that you had. Okay, it's more about the followers, the ladies. Yes. So go have fun with this. It's a great looking pattern. Yes. And if you need more information, guess what you need to do? You gotta go to the private lesson style videos. It gives you a lot more information. Okay?
A lot more detail.
Right. We're giving you some detail here and there, but right now this is about what? Quick views. It gives you an idea of what you need to be doing, a little quick synopsis, and you move on to quick depth stuff. That's in the private lesson. So go to that, have fun, and then come on back to the next pattern.